Hey guys, it's Mrs. Boynton again. We're looking at equivalent fractions. It says study the example showing one way to model equivalent fractions in this worksheet. Okay, so these then solve problems 1 through 8. Example. Let's put our name on it. Big points for that. All right, example. A model can show equivalent fractions. The model has 5 equal parts. It shows 3/5. Divide the model into 10 equal parts to show the equivalent fraction. The model shows 6/10. So if you look right here and you look right here, what they're saying is it's the exact same whole and it's the exact same shaded area. The only thing that changes is how many parts is the whole is cut into. So when it's equivalent, that means those things are in place. So the shaded part does not change, neither does the whole. You have to be comparing the same whole. So this is the 1/3, 1/5, 2/5, 3/5. Red fish, blue fish. Just kidding, sorry. And this is 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10, 6/10. And all they did is drew that line in the middle. Okay, so we're going to look at number 1 right now. Divide the model below to show 1/2 equals 5/10. Okay, so we know that we're multiplying. What do we multiply that 1 to get to a 5? We were multiplying it by 5. And whatever we do to the numerator, we're doing to the denominator. And so we know it needs to be 5 times as many greater than 1/2, okay? So let's see. I'm trying to think. So we have the two sides. Each side needs to have 5. So I'm going to do... Oh my goodness, this is a little hard. Each side needs to have 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. That means I split it up into fifths. It's not perfect, but mistakes are proof that we're trying. Just saying. All right. So that is the fraction bar divided into 5/10 as well as 1/2. Okay, and on number 2, draw a model to show 1/6. Then divide the model into twice as many parts to find an equivalent fraction. So you're basically doing this, you're drawing this, but for 1/6. Okay? All right, now I'm going to go to the back side because the back side has a tricky one that I would like to help you with. All right. So number 5, look at that one. Woo! Fill in the missing numbers to find 2 equivalent fractions to 4/5. All right, so 5 times 2 just a second. So 5 times 2. Give me 1 second. I'm sorry, guys. One moment. There we go. All right, let's see. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay. So now we're looking at this fraction right here, which is 4/5. And we've already multiplied the numerator or the denominator by 2. And whatever we do to the denominator, we have to do to the numerator. So if we're timesing 5 by 2, we have to times 4 by 2. Like, that's illegal if you don't. Okay, so 5 times 2 is 10. And then we have 4 times 2, and that is 8. So this is showing 8 tenths. But now we're wanting to do not only 2, but remember what we have done with the zeros before. So we've done, what, 4 times 2 and 5 times 2. So 5 times 2 was 10, and so we have that 100 as the denominator. And 4 times 2 was 8, but it's not a 2, it's a 20, so we have that 0. Remember we just took that off? There you go. All right, so we're timesing it by tens, and 4/5 is equivalent or equal to 80 100ths and 8 tenths. Look at the problem 5. Explain how 8 tenths is equal to 80 100ths, and you need to explain that thinking. How is this equal to this? I know that's a little tricky, but you guys can do it. Know that you're loved. And we're happy. And you have a fabulous day.